Hi everyone, Cynthia Pettion here with AWS Mining. And I wanted to do this video in order to distinguish very quickly between what the difference is between a mining pool and miners. And I bring that up because we get asked this question quite frequently based on this diagram that you see here that you can find on the net. It's on blockchain.info/pools. And it's funny because a lot of times this is brought up not by people who do their own research, but because somebody else gives them the information and tells them to look it up as a way to validate or discredit whether or not a company is actually doing any mining. Now, most importantly, what I'd like to show on this chart is that it's the hash rate distribution of the largest and most popular mining pools. Okay, Bitcoin mining pools, not all mining pools, but Bitcoin in particular. And if you are not one of the larger mining pools on the block, then you will not even show up on this chart. So this is not meant to be an all-inclusive list. This is just a list of the larger and more popular mining pools. The smallest one on here is 0.1%, which is Waterhole. So if you have a smaller hash rate distribution for that, you would not even show up on this chart. But more importantly, AWS Mining is not a mining pool. We are miners. We own our own machines, our own land, our mining farms, our data centers, and we participate in these pools. So we enter and exit these pools throughout the day, and whether or not we stay in a pool versus another, is based on the profitability in that pool, and we have the ability to enter and exit at any time. So within the next year, AWS Mining may introduce its own mining pool, but for now, we are just miners that participate in this. And you'll notice also there are some very large mining companies, legitimate mining companies, that are also not reflected on here. And that's also because they do not provide a mining pool. They too are just miners that participate in the pool. And this particular diagram, blockchain.info, does not show that. You would need to actually enter into each one of these pools and try to figure out who's mining in them. So I hope that helps explain it. If you'd like more information, you can download our free app. You'll find us in the Play Store, Google Play. Just do a search for AWS Mining Team Nova, and you'll find our app. For iOS users, you can download it at teamnova.co, and you'll be able to chat with us, ask questions, text, call, watch videos, a lot of cool stuff on there. And if you're a member, you can actually register new members on there as well. So hopefully that cleared up any misconceptions or questions about whether or not we are actually mining based on this chart. And next time somebody asks, you'll be able to tell them we are not a mining pool, we are miners. Okay, so happy mining and thank you for joining us.